how it would look like, the document. I know in the nampak sini, that's why I gave the handouts for you to refer to. Don't worry, I only have 6 slides, so it should be short. So the schedule for this semester, the registration for you new students, pre-registration would start on the 29th at 12 noon. 29, and it would end 31st December at 12 noon for everyone, including returning students. Returning students are those yang year 2, year 3. Sama deadline with the new students. Kamu, you are new students. Yang anak sudah belajar sini, you year 2, year 3, year 4, they would what we call returning students. So when using registration, registering your modules is all online. So when you register, please use Internet Explorer 7 or Higher or Google Chrome. Do not use Firefox or Mozilla or Safari, because some of the functions, they don't work and they don't appear. And we would suggest using PC. Don't use your phone, so it might not work. So when registering modules, we need to make sure that the academic and exam timetables do not clash. How do you know the academic timetable? You can view it from the student portal. Do you know your username and password for email? Yes, good. So it's the same username and password for registering your modules. We'll explain more later. So in the UBD website, you go to the top right corner, My UBD, go to Student Portal. There at the academic, you'll find the academic calendar, the academic timetable, and the class timetable and the exam timetable. Exam timetable, exam is April and May. But we know already now what are the dates for your exam. So you can already check out bila kamu punya exam ni. So registration is divided into a few weeks. Week 0 is 29th to 31st for you. Refer to your handouts. And you log on to My UBD from the UBD website, and it will end the 31st December at 12 noon. So week 1 to week 2, those are the dates. You can still add on your modules, or if you don't want that module anymore, you can still drop the module. But all of this has to be done online. So the deadline for this add or drop is 19th January. 17th January. Another important date for you to know is 19th January, when you view your final exam module list. This is the list of modules you are set for. Final set registered for. But there's an appeal week, one more extra week after 19th adult. If there's something that we missed out or that was still pending, then boleh lagi masih during the appeal week. And that is 24th January. This exam registered module list, please keep it up. Keep a copy. Either you print it or you save it, because it's online, so you can save it. Or to make sure to be extra careful, after you save it, you print it. So you know the confirmed list of modules for yourself. So after 25th, no more adding, no more dropping, that's it. The back page are frequently asked questions yang selalu kami kena tanya. How many modules to register to? At least for degree students, 12 MCs. I'll explain to you later what's MCs. If you register more than 20 MCs, you'll need permission from the dean. So what if, at the end of week 0, you have not registered any modules? Let's say, I don't know, you forgot your password, or it just didn't work, you're not in the system yet. For any reason, you didn't register until the 31st December 12 noon. Jangan to panic. You better not register. It's okay. You can still register your modules by adding them during week 1 and week 2. Okay? You can still continue on to register. But what if you haven't registered at all, week 0, week 1, week 2? Ano mo dyan register niya? I don't know. You suddenly went on leave, belayan ito dulu 2 minggu. Udah lagi kan belajar dulu QBT. For that, we have to penalize. If after week 2 you're still not registered, you'll be penalized $50 per module. And what if after week 3, after appeal week, why don't you register? If you're not registered at all, you might be kicked out from the university for not registering. So these are the things yang selalu kita tanya, frequently asked questions. And after week 3, you've got your final exam registered list. You're registered to 4 modules, 4 subjects. And after week 3, you think, oh no, one of them is difficult. Oh yeah, macam mana niya? And you think you can drop that module. Unfortunately, you can't. Once you have your exam registered list, that's it. No more adding, and as I said, no more dropping of modules. You have to you have to continue studying what you have registered for. So every semester, exam office, we email you the registration schedule. So the one that you have now, it's only for this semester. Okay? So moving along to what modules to register to, please refer to the document on module codes. This is how the document will look like. This explains, modules are subjects, huh? So at each module, let's say, like Islam Raja, MIB, it has its module code. For MIB, it's PB-1501. So what the P means, B, the dash, the numbers mean, this is the diagram that you can refer to. So let's say you are a Bachelor of Science student and you want to major in mathematics. So modules that you would be looking for are Faculty of Science, it will start with an S, and M would indicate that it's mathematics. So you can refer to the document. This document, it doesn't include some, like master management, logistic, terlupa, missed that. So you just refer to your faculty for the code of your modules. But most of them are here. Moving down, sorry. So that's the document on module codes for you to understand, and that would help you choose your modules. So I've told you when to register, I've told you how the modules will look like or be coded, but still you don't know what to register to. Okay? So I would like to introduce you to the structure, but this is only a generic structure. It's only general, it's not really specific that you must follow. It's lebih kurang, it's generic. So for the first table, I think it's the back page of the module quota, this document. So do we have any diploma students? Maybe any diploma students? There's some over there, okay. So for diploma students, you probably study 2-3 semesters in UBD. So your structure is a bit fixed. So you don't have to worry what to take. You just ask your program leader. Then they will advise you which modules to take. So it's quite easy. And it's the same for master by coursework. Any master by coursework? Not master by coursework. I'm guessing and teach. So the same, 2-3 semesters, and your structure is quite fixed. So you know which modules to register to. Any PhD student? Very good. We have a PhD student, master by research. Maybe okay. So there's a few master and PhD students here. You need to register only once a year. So since you are January intake, so you register every January. So for PhD, your code would end with a -6000. For master by research, you would register to the module with the code ending -5000. So you only register once a year. It gets a bit tricky with degree. Not so tricky, but because it's not really structured, but there is a generic guideline for you to follow. You need to graduate with 140 MC for degree. And if you register less than 12 MC for one semester, you would be under probation. Probation is not a good thing. Active, it's good, okay? But if you decide to register more than 20 MC, maybe you won't be deciding it now. Maybe next semester, if you think of you can do better and you want to push the limit, registering more than 20 MC, you will need the dean's permission first. So for degree, 4 years of study, year 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 semesters every year. In your third year, you will undergo discovery year. So the other modules that you study in UBD would be in year 1, year 2, and year 4. Okay? Paham semua. So for degree, you will need, according to this table, you will need to register modules for your major, science student majoring, if you think of majoring in mathematics, then you will need to take modules for your major in mathematics. There would be degree core modules, major core modules, and major option modules for your major in mathematics. And how many MCs? You would need to refer to your faculty. Every major is different, so that's why I cannot explain all the different type of majors in here. For science, it might be 72, 76 MC. For students from FAS, it might be 64 MC, so it's different. So that's why I cannot explain all the majors to you. You would have to refer to your faculty. So after major, another module that Faculty of Science major in math students will need to register to is also breadth. Any examples that are on math? Okay. Breadth modules are modules outside your major. So for all degree students, a compulsory breadth that you need to take, there's two types. One is compulsory breadth, and the other is outside faculty breadth. So all degree students would